working people. Yeah, they need to just put a big roach on the top of it. It's like if people want their people to come, it got a big roach on the top of it. That's advertisement. I know about advertising, man. I know all about you just put a big bug on top, you gonna make $1 million, bro. I'm telling you, working people, y'all can fuck with me. But yeah, today, it's like I went and picked up some taillights for the Fox. It's been a minute since I fooled with this car. So I'm gonna have to get a little excavator, dig all this stuff out. I got some of it away from the car. I'm gonna get the rest. Oh, I'm gonna get the rest. Too much stuff up in here to get to it. So these the taillights that I got. They kind of mismatch, but there's no cracks in these. Like these is messed up. I picked these up from my boy Thomas. Yeah, to put these on temporarily. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order the lens, just the lens itself, and I'm gonna try to fix it myself. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put those on for temporary use. I actually like these. These is on the 80, I forgot what, it's like 86 through 89 or 87 through 89 Foxbody Mustangs. I think those are the 4 eyes. I'm not quite sure. I'm not the Foxbody expert, so yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start taking this stuff out before I just start rambling on. But yeah, see the merch, man. It's turning into a muscle t-shirt. Guess who showed up? My mama. My mama got this dashiki on her.
Joe got this clean ass motherfucking Benzo right here. Y'all know nothing about that though. I'm just letting y'all know. Then he got this motherfucking Mustang right here that we supposed to be racing this motherfucking Valiant. I don't know what's taking him so motherfucking long to get this shit together, but you know how Joe is. He's a Batiste, and it takes him hella long to do shit. And then he got this gas cap, so I don't know if he ran out of gas. We got the working man over here trying to get all these spiders. They're trying to kill us up in here. And he got this Mustang over here. He just, I don't know. His motor mouth slick. Y'all holler at him. So what he did, Joe?
Huh?
What he had to do?
Oh, what he did? He came over here and he started fucking up everything. He don't know what he doing, man.
Joe.
He went in.
Ain't nobody listening to you, Joe. Shut up. Don't be messing with my people. Okay, this is good people.
Nah, play.
How are you? Good. Y'all busy this side of the thing, huh?
Yeah.
All that way.
Yeah, it's been an interesting day, but I'm here to take care of your service. So
Okay.
That's all that matters to me.
Just tell me what you...
I'm pretty much already almost done.
Cool.
I'm just going around. I've already treated inside the garage, and I've treated around the home, and obviously I was just treating while you watched me do that.
Okay.
I don't know what they talking about. That conversation got so dead. Anyway, put this stuff out the way. Last 2 days. And then I could get up in here and do what I need to do. How they do it? Ooh. Yeah, boy, I'm still doing that. Still doing it. Here's the trunk. Oh man. Ooh, look at my nasty carpet, bro. I'm gonna have to kabam this. Kaboom. Kaboom with the headlights. It do smell good up in here. If you ever smelled up in this car, it smells hella good. Alright, let me prop this open. Grab something to prop this open real quick. So I started videoing already. Shit, I forgot I need to pay tax. I started already. I took this one out. Let me tell you basically what you need to do in order to do so. So what you want to do is you want to take these out. Usually they just twist and turn out. There should be bolts. Let me see. Focus the camera. Okay, there's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. 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 And then there. And once you take those bolts out, it should be free. There's other bolts, so there's bolts like this one. Just make sure you take all the right ones out. You can really look on the back of the tail light and kind of get an idea of which ones that you should be taking out, because there are ones aside from those ones that you could take out and you don't need to take those out. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to taking these out and then show you guys what it's looking like once I put them in. So I just went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit behind there. Was a little dirty. So now I feel like it's a little bit cleaner. I could have did a better job, but I plan to take these taillights off again. So does it really matter? Alright. So I'm gonna put these on and then I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. So right off the back, these taillights just look funky. It look funky, man. I'm about to show you. I don't know why, but I feel like they should be flip-flop. I feel like the yellow part should be on the bottom, but that's really not how I go. But I like these style of taillights. I feel like it'll look a whole lot better once I close the trunk. But I'm overall satisfied. And I'm thinking that I might turn these set right here into that style. I'm still not sure if it's like the 86 or 80. It's an 80 style tail light though. I'll definitely get it right in the title, but right now I'm not sure on it. There's too much going on in my brain for me to know. But yeah, that's how you install them. And it's a better look at what they look like. Yeah, and as I said, these are just temporary until I get my other ones fixed. But that's basically how it looks. I like the look because it looks like a junkyard build. I don't know if you guys seen my whole car, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. Go and view some of my other videos, man. That's all. I got a bunch of how-to DIY videos that's gonna be coming up, because I see that a lot of you guys watch my DIY videos and the views on the DIY is a lot better than my other ones, so that's what I'm gonna be doing.
Subscribe, people.
What she said.